Welcome to Yasumi, the premier platform where we dig deep into the intricate details of modern work culture, investigating its many nuances and swiftly evolving trends. In today's insightful video presentation, we're going to embark on an unprecedented journey into the heart of the contemporary work landscape. Our focus will be uncovering how business analysts, the backbone of any organization, are mastering the intricate art of remote collaboration, a skill becoming increasingly in demand in today's fast-paced world. As we sail through this immersive exploration, we'll leave no stone unturned. We'll delve into the daily challenges these professionals encounter when working remotely. From communication breakdowns to time zone differences, from limited resources to lack of face-to-face interactions, these challenges are many, and their solutions require innovation, adaptability, and resilience. Our exploration will also reveal the tech tools that these business analysts rely on to overcome these hurdles. From project management software to communication platforms, from file sharing services to virtual meeting rooms, these tools are their lifelines, enabling them to stay productive no matter where they are. Furthermore, our journey will shed light on the cutting-edge strategies these professionals implement to work effectively from any corner of the globe. See how they manage their time, set their priorities, navigate cultural differences, and establish a strong remote work. Additionally, we'll discuss their best practices for staying motivated, maintaining work-life balance, and fostering strong, productive relationships with their team members and other stakeholders. In this comprehensive deep dive into the world of remote work, we aim to provide you with an abundance of valuable insights, practical tips, and inspiring stories that can enhance your understanding of remote and help you harness its full potential. Whether you're a seasoned business analyst, an emerging professional in this field, or simply a curious individual interested in understanding the trends shaping our work culture, this journey promises to be enlightening and enriching. So fasten your seatbelts, sit back, and enjoy the ride as we navigate through the dynamic world of remote work. Join us in this exploration as we dissect, discuss, and delve into the myriad aspects of remote collaboration, bringing to light its challenges, its potentials, and its exciting future. Ever wondered how business analysts overcome the challenges of remote work? It's an intriguing question, given the recent shift to home-based work due to the pandemic. These professionals, who occupy a crucial space in the business world, have found themselves navigating a new landscape. The realm of remote work, as many of us have discovered, comes with its fair share of obstacles. The challenges are diverse and multi-layered, each presenting a different facet of difficulty. Communication, a cornerstone of successful business operations, becomes more complicated when face-to-face interactions are replaced by digital interfaces. The natural flow of conversation can be disrupted, causing misunderstandings and miscommunications. Then, there's the issue of engagement. In a physical office setting, engagement is often fostered casual conversations, team-building activities, and shared experiences. However, in the remote work environment, fostering the same level of engagement becomes a daunting task. There's a certain detachment that can occur when employees are physically separated, and this can lead to decreased motivation and productivity. Moreover, brainstorming, a vital process in business analysis, is also affected by remote work setups. The spontaneous exchange of back-and-forth banter that often leads to innovative solutions is somewhat stymied when teams are fragmented across various locations. There's a certain synergy that's lost when people can't huddle around a whiteboard, scribbling ideas and possibilities. But in this era of digital transformation, there's a solution for every problem. This is a time of rapid evolution, where technological advancements are breaking down barriers and creating new opportunities for communication, engagement, and collaboration. Various tools and platforms have emerged to bridge the gaps left by physical separation, allowing business analysts to conquer the challenges presented by remote work. Through virtual meetings, cloud-based project management, and other innovative solutions, the limitations of remote work are being progressively overcome. In essence, while remote work presents its own set of challenges, the business analysts of today are on the lookout for innovative solutions to navigate these hurdles. The world of remote work is not without its difficulties, but it also provides opportunities for growth and innovation. But in this era of digital transformation, there's a solution for every problem. Imagine having a toolbox filled with tech saviors. These aren't the traditional tools you'd think of like a hammer or a drill. No, These are advanced digital tools designed to optimize communication, collaboration, and productivity, especially in a remote work setting. Let's delve in and see what this toolkit has to offer. Firstly, we have the stalwarts of modern digital communication: Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. These platforms are revolutionizing the way we connect, making it possible for teams spread out across different time zones to have effective and engaging conversations. With high-quality video and audio, along with features like screen sharing, recording, and live captions, these tools are critical for maintaining effective team communication and collaboration. Next, we come to the powerhouses of document collaboration and sharing: Google Docs and Microsoft Office 365. These platforms allow for real-time co-editing, helping teams to work together on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, regardless of their physical location. With features like version history, commenting, and file sharing, these tools ensure that everyone is on the same page, literally and metaphorically. But what about project management? Well, that's where Asana, Trello, and Monday.com come in. These platforms help streamline project workflows, allowing teams to assign tasks, set deadlines, track progress, and collaborate effectively. Whether you're managing a small team project or coordinating a large scale, these tools are perfect for keeping everything organized and on track. Then for those brainstorming sessions, there are tools like Miro and Mural, serving as your virtual whiteboards. They are ideal for mind mapping, visually representing ideas, and inspiring creativity. They allow for real-time collaboration, letting individuals brainstorm, ideate, and problem-solve together, fostering a culture of innovation and creativity. And finally, we can't overlook file sharing and storage. Google Drive and simplify this process, making it easy to share, access, and collaborate on documents from anywhere. With these services, you can share large files, synchronize your work across multiple devices, and even work offline. And with robust security features, you can be confident that your files are safe. Don't forget about file sharing and storage. Google Drive and Dropbox make sharing files and collaborating on documents effortless. But having the tools isn't enough. It's much more than just purchasing a software solution and hoping it will magically solve all your problems. You need to understand their capabilities and how best them to optimize your team's workflow. This involves getting to grips with their interfaces, learning the shortcuts, being aware of their strengths and weaknesses, and knowing how to troubleshoot when things go wrong. In today's digital age, where remote work is becoming more and more prevalent, knowing how to use these tools effectively is no longer just a nice skill to have. It's a necessity. You need to set clear communication expectations. This means letting your team know when and how you expect them to communicate and what kind of response time they should aim for. Embrace video conferencing as it is an integral of remote team management. It gives team members the opportunity to connect face-to-face, eliminating the feeling of isolation that can often come with remote work. Master the art of active listening, as it is a crucial skill. Virtual communication. It involves fully focusing, understanding, responding, and then remembering what is being said during conversations. Utilize the collaborative features of these tools to streamline your processes and make your team more efficient. Embrace task management tools that help to keep everyone on the same page and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Schedule regular check-ins with your team to foster a sense of camaraderie on their progress, address any concerns they might have, and provide feedback on their work. The world of technology is ever evolving. That's why it's vital to be open, transparent, and invest in continuous learning. Encourage your team to learn new tools and technologies and provide them with the necessary resources and support to do so. Make it a point to keep yourself updated on tools and functionalities that can make your team's work even more efficient. But remember, it's not just about the tools, it's also about the mindset and the culture you foster in your team. Ensure you cultivate a positive, inclusive, and collaborative work environment where everyone feels valued and heard. But having the tools isn't enough. You need to know how to use them effectively. Be open, transparent, and invest in continuous learning to stay updated on the latest tools and functionalities. So what's the takeaway? With the right tools and strategies, remote work for business analysts doesn't have to be a challenge. Now let's a little deeper. To begin with, it's important to understand that remote work is not a new concept, but one that has simply been accelerated and amplified by recent circumstances. In fact, it has always been a viable option for those looking for flexible work-life balance and for businesses aiming to tap into talent from various geographical locations. There's a myriad of tools available to ensure smooth operation of remote work, from project management platforms to ensure tasks are allocated and completed on time, to video conferencing tools to replicate the face-to-face, which is such an integral part of an analyst's job. Using these tools, you can ensure you are always in sync with your team, despite the geographical distances. The strategies that aid remote work are just as important. It's about utilizing the flexibility that remote work offers to maximize productivity. This may involve working during hours when you are most productive, taking regular breaks to avoid burnout, and setting up a distraction-free workspace at home. Moreover, remote work can also lead to enhanced communication. Yes, you heard it right. Contrary to the common myth that work leads to isolation, it can actually foster better communication. With a variety of communication tools at our disposal, we can collaborate more effectively, be it on a video call, chat, or a shared document. Another advantage that comes with the territory is increased employee satisfaction. Working from home eliminates the commute, gives employees more control over their schedule, and allows for a better balance between personal and professional life. All of these factors contribute to employees feeling happier, more valued, and therefore more invested in their work. And by doing so, you'll unlock a host of benefits, including boosted productivity, enhanced communication, and increased employee satisfaction. This is the future of work, and it's here to stay. So are you ready to embrace it? So there you have it, folks. The essential tools and strategies for remote collaboration for business analysts. Now let's delve a little deeper into it. Working remotely has become an inevitable part of many businesses today due to the modern-day demands. The shift to remote work has been a significant transformation, and it's crucial to understand the nuances that make it successful. One of the essential aspects of effective remote work is using the right set of tools. These tools help streamline your work process and foster better communication among team members. They can range from project management tools that will allow you to keep track of your tasks and deadlines, to communication tools that ensure you're always connected with your team, regardless of where they are. Moreover, tools for real-time collaboration and file sharing are also crucial in remote work settings. These tools allow for seamless exchange of ideas and instant feedback, which to maintaining the momentum of a project. Some of these tools allow you to edit documents simultaneously with your teammates, making collaboration as easy as if you were in the same room. However, having the right tools is only half the battle. It's equally important to adopt effective strategies for using these tools. These strategies should be aimed at improving efficiency, promoting transparency, and fostering a culture of collaboration. For instance, setting clear expectations and deadlines, maintaining regular communication, and promoting a culture of respect and trust are some strategies that can significantly improve your remote collaboration experience. These strategies not only ensure that everyone is on the same page, but also help in building a strong team dynamic, which is crucial for remote teams. We must also highlight the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance while working remotely. It's essential to set boundaries and take regular breaks to avoid burnout. Remember, mind is key to productivity and creativity. In the end, remember that while tools and strategies are important, the human element cannot be overlooked. The key to successful remote work is not just about having the best technology, but also about fostering effective communication and creating a supportive and inclusive work environment. And with this toolkit, you're well on your way. Until next time, stay connected and stay productive. As we round up this enlightening journey into the world of remote collaboration, we sincerely hope you found this video helpful. We've covered everything from the challenges of remote work to the tech solutions that can make your remote work experience smoother, and the effective strategies for using these tools. At Yasumi, we are committed to providing you with insightful content that can help you navigate your professional journey with ease. We understand that the world is constantly evolving, and we're here to help you keep up with the changes. If you found this video informative and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us to keep bringing you valuable content like this. And remember, we're more than just a YouTube channel. We're a community. So feel free to drop your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you and continue the conversation. We know that remote work can be challenging, but with the right tools and strategies, you can make it work for you. Until next time, stay connected, stay productive, and remember, you've got this.